Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Late Night with Manuel Palau and this week of Betancourt. Tonight, we're going to learn how to do the most exquisite mustard vinegar you've ever learned how to do.
I am very excited.
Me too.
So without further ado, let's get started.
Let's get started. For today's recipes, we're going to use several ingredients. And we have our mustard powder that will be added later on to our recipe and will act as an emulsifier. So, Chef Luis, tell us how to do this. Come on.
So Manuel, the first step for doing our vinaigrette is to add some oil or water to an empty bowl.
Some oil and water, maybe.
Yes.
Great.
So will you do me the honors?
Of course.
So after we add some water and oil, we have to add some lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Should we add salt or something?
Yes, please.
Okay.
You're gonna add 2 spoonfuls of salt.
Well, now we're one step ahead of finishing our great vinaigrette. So, from what we have of vinaigrette until now, we can see some separation of phases. Camera, please. As we can see, there is a yellow phase and a liquid transparent phase of water. There is also some flocculation over here at the ends thanks to the lemon. This is precisely what we want to avoid with the mustard powder, which will act as the emulsifier. All this flocculation, all this separation of phases will be avoided. And although this way it tastes great, it will taste even better and more delicious with the emulsifier, the mustard powder.
So the next step for doing our vinaigrette is to add some colander and some parsley. So
we mix it with a spoon. Ready to be served in salad.
So now we're basically doing everything again. So
now the big difference is that we're gonna add some mustard powder to this, camera please, to this vinaigrette. It's also flocculated. It is also the separation of 2 phases, but with an addition of half a spoon of mustard powder. We will mix it.
So, what is an emulsifier? An emulsifier is a substance that acts as the bridge between the opposing substances and essentially possesses a polar and non-polar end that can be the bridge of interaction between substances that would not typically mix. While one end of that emulsifier connects to a quality of that substance, the other end of it would connect with the other side, thereby allowing interaction between both substances.
Now, camera please. With the addition of a little bit of mustard powder, as you see, half a spoon, there is no flocculation visible. There is no separation of phases visible. It is simply homogeneous, the mixture. We're gonna add some colander.
So, as you can see in this vinaigrette, there's not flocculation, sorry. And in this one, you can see the different phases of the oil and the water. So, the emulsifier in this vinaigrette
Has proven to be working.
Now it's time to enjoy. Delicious.